can definitely tell um, it needs another coat. Um, but this is what I did on the interior last night. I decided to go all the way down with the black paint. Um, just trying to, finish it off with the way I went all the way around. So obviously these cushions all need a second coat, which is fine. I've got the paint, but the real big thing is what I'm doing on the exterior today. So I'm alone today. My job is to apply this awesome, scary gel coat. It's a two-part paint, which I've never seen or worked with ever. Apparently you activate this and it activates everything inside. So it's a total chemical reaction. And it's your gel coat for the boat. So, and was as with anything, like I was just about to apply it, and then I noticed some touch-up work that I had to do. So then I went and touched up. So I gotta wait for that to dry, and then I'll go with this scary stuff. Activated this paint. It's a two-part process where you actually inject the mixer into it. And with any spray painting, but especially this stuff, you got to wear a mask. So I'm just going to give this stuff a quick try and see what it looks like on the small portion of the boat to see if I even like it.